Thanks for joining me for information on the process of sharing PLT information with others in our departments. To start out with, I'm just going to be using the science PLT setup to show you how your department chairs have similarly set up the system for this year. We hope that the system is easy for you to navigate and easy for those who are teaching the same class but not on your PLT to view information from your meetings. This year we're going to be using a blog format. It's one-stop shopping, one place where you will go to both input your meeting summary and to view the summaries of the meetings. This is an example of how your page should look. You'll have a page set up for your PLT provided to you by your department chair. On that page, you can see that there is already an initial blog post, and it's the format or the skeleton that you'll be using for each of your subsequent posts week by week throughout this year. Let me give you a quick tour of it. At the top, you can see the date. That's a date that you will enter in each week. Underneath the date are 3 questions. The first question takes the place of the agenda form that we had last year, and it simply says, what are the agenda items for this meeting? Now you might want to consider putting those agenda items in the first week prior to your next meeting. The second question asks, which standard or standards did your work today focus on? And the third question asks you to summarize the work that was accomplished. So here you might want to describe the assessment or assessments that were worked on, describe the data that was worked with, describe any data to be collected, and state the short-term goal or goals that are being worked on. So those are the questions that you'll come back to for each week's report on your collaboration PLT efforts. Now, for the first week, that is Wednesday, August 29th, you should have a page that looks like this already started for you. To enter your information, simply click on Edit Post in the bottom left corner of the page. Once you've clicked on Edit Post, you'll be brought into the edit mode for your Google site. You can simply click beneath each one of the questions and type your response. Once you've typed your response to each question, as long as you want, it's going to expand out to fill up the space. Go ahead to the top right corner and click on Save. That will save your blog post or your summary for that week. Now, in order to view it, you'll want to go back into the page, so you can refresh or click back to your page, and you should be able to view the information that you posted for that week. There it is. Now, for any subsequent weeks, you're going to be creating a brand new blog post. So very simple, navigate to your PLTs page, and you should find a box or a button there that says New Post on it. Before you click on this, you're actually going to want to copy the questions so that you have them ready to put into your new post. So I simply highlighted them, and I clicked Control-C to copy. Now I'm going to click on New Post. Now this is going to take me into the edit mode to create my new post. The first thing I will do is click on the body area. I'm going to go Control-V, like Victor, and I can post the questions there. If I had any text there from before, I might want to delete that. Post the questions there so that I'm ready to fill in my answers or my responses. Now I'll want to also change the date. So our next collaboration day is going to be Wednesday, September 5th, 2012. So each week I will copy the questions into my new post, then I will fill in my summary, and I will change the date at the top. To enter this post, I simply click on Save, the blue button in the top right corner. It's now saved. I can navigate back to my page, and I can view my latest post. So each week, just like in any other blog that you might make in Blogger, Your newest post will go to the top of the page. No more scrolling through things looking for your newest post. It will always be at the top of the page. And each week to enter a new post, you'll copy the questions and click on New Post. I really hope this system works well for you and for your PLT. Have a great year. And if you have any questions on navigating this or the process that you need to follow, please see your department chair or feel free to stop by and see me. My office is 107. Thanks.